What's up, folks? Today we're gonna make green chili verde. What is green chili verde? Well, you've clicked on this video, you're gonna find out. The recipe is below, but some smoked tomatillos, which I've already got going on my chimp, pork, Grilla AP hot sauce, chilies, limes, cilantro, garlic, onions, Mexican beer, some cooking wine. That's what you need. And a pan and some heat. I say do it on your smoker, Kong, Grilla, OG, Chimp. You can also do it in the oven. But I need to get to chopping up my ingredients and get to cooking. Continue to watch. I've put some Grilla AP on this butt. It's been sitting for 20 minutes. Now it's time to get it in some smoke. 275 on the Chimp. All my ingredients are chopped up, ready to go into my blender. Tomatillos are already in there. I'm gonna add my chilies. I'm gonna add my beer, Modelo Especial, my onion, cilantro, and garlic. All that gets blended, pureed, and then I put that on the butt when it comes off the Chimp in an hour. Got my tomatillos all pureed with my hot sauce, garlic, onions, cilantro. It smells incredible. I'm gonna add my cooking wine because I've got the butt off of the Chimp, which has been on for an hour. Still need 2 to 3 more hours. I need to get to 190 degrees internal temperature. I'm gonna add all these ingredients, and then we're gonna get this back on the Chimp. Cover up your butt as best as possible. Just let everything go over top. Back on the grill it goes. All right, meat is out of the smoker. It's gotten to an internal temperature of 190 degrees. And now I'm gonna cube this up, put it in the pot, which had all the braising liquids simmering. And then put it over some rice. I got some cornbread muffins, which you can see here. And it's time to eat. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was instructional for you. Have a good one. Smoke on.